Good morning all, camelbacktrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, November 1st. Boy, oh boy, do these days, weeks, months fly by. They really do. Anyway, we're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. You know, we spoke in the room yesterday that we knew, when the market spiked above the day's high in G, who was buying it? Short covering momentum buyers, right? The market's incredibly short. So with the Fed today, the higher it went, the more you got more short covering, right? And look where we are so far this morning. Right now we're below where the market basically spiked above, okay? In value, in balance, trying to take back the trend day. We're the only one that had the trend day, okay? NQ did not, neither did Righty. Righty had a 9-wide point of control in the afternoon pullback. Right now they're trading below yesterday's value. All Righty did yesterday was slightly come back into balance, right? They had an inside day up, did nothing, so they're still firmly in balance. As far as Qs and ES, again, I said it's subjective, right? It's an art, not a science. You want to still call them balance, that's fine. I was calling ES up after yesterday. If we take out yesterday's low, back to balance. Look, a lot's going to be happening today. I would trade today, though, up until 2 p.m. as a regular day. Okay? So we're going to be looking for the same things. Where will the overnight low be? Will it be a good opportunity if they push lower to front run the overnight low against the afternoon pullback? That's a good risk-reward trade. Now, again, you're going to be in balance in value possibly. That's not the greatest risk reward, but it's a decent risk reward against if the overnight's around F's low. Okay? On the flip side, if we stay certainly below value high and where the single prints get filled, remember, you're treating yesterday as two separate days. So even though the market spiked above C, G's high is going to be the important one to me. That's the upper end of the lower distribution. So if by some chance we take out the overnight low and then attempt to get back up to that, that's a great risk reward short. You could be out any acceptance into the upper distribution, which is I's low. Right? All early plays that you can certainly trade like a normal day. Come 2 o'clock, look, our best advantage and best edge is to try to be able to read the market. Once algos become agitated and frisky, which they will come 2 and then again at 2:30 with his press conference, you lose that edge. I don't want coin flip trades. Okay, another thing to keep in mind, if you're in a room or thinking about getting in a room and you're in a room with a moderator who's just yelling and screaming, especially if the one, come 2 o'clock with the market and stuff, you need to reassess if you want to be in that room, because your best advantage, too, as a trader is keeping your mental reserve and capital at an even keel. You don't need that yelling and screaming to get you all riled up. So please keep that in mind. And then as far as the chart, again, the weekly has a lot of work to do. So far on the daily, again, I'm calling this up. So if we take out yesterday's low, we're back into a 5-day balance. If we take out yesterday's high, we're certainly still up, and then we'll see if they're going to attempt to go test the 200-day moving average. Come 2 o'clock, you're going to have yourself some really good visual levels, what you think the market could reach. Unless they really get to an extreme level, I wouldn't take a trade. Remember, last Wednesday, a week ago, ES, we have a price vacuum in here. There's nothing to lean on. So if the market really accelerated, right, that day's high is 421.92. Well, the 200-day moving average is only $1 above that. So that's a level you could accelerate to, and the first time probably short. NQ, on the other hand, has a triple distribution day from that Wednesday. On the other hand, if the market doesn't like what it hears, then you're going to have to worry about the 27th low, right? You come and take that out, and again, not only has nothing's changed in the bigger picture, you're going to get more downside pressure and probably test around the 4,000 level in the ES. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.